Hey guys, I hope you're all having an amazing day so far. Today we are going to be doing another makeup tutorial with this damn amazing neon eyeliner. But firstly, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you want to follow my Instagram, my name is on the screen at the moment. I am currently following people back and liking people's photos. I just really want to see some new things on my Instagram feed. So if you guys want me to check out your pages, go and follow me and I can make sure that I follow you back. Anyway, back to the makeup tutorial. I am so excited for you guys to see this neon pink eyeliner. It is honestly the bomb. It is so amazing. I didn't actually know that brands made such intense coloured eyeliners until I saw these and I was like, I have to have them. I need those in my shopping cart. They stayed there for a wee while though, because you guys know when you put stuff in your shopping cart and you see the price of it all added up and you're like, I'm a bit too broke for that at the moment. That is my life 24/7. I feel like I always want to go shopping, but I'm always paying my damn bills instead. Anyway, back to this makeup look. We've started with a really pretty base for the eyes. So this is like a soft romantic smoky eye using the HUDA Beauty palette, and this is the rose gold edition. So I've taken 3 shades from this palette, Shy through the crease, then we've put rose gold on with my finger to get that really nice glittery pigment, and then cocoa for the outer part of the eye at the moment to really smoke these eyes out. And of course you could leave it like this, or you could use any other coloured eyeliner over top, but I thought the pink would go perfectly because we're coming up to Valentine's Day. So that is the eyes almost all done now with the eyeshadow. I will tell you guys, I have only ever used this palette today. I've never used it beforehand, but while I was playing with it, I would definitely recommend using your fingers for the pigments at the top, so like the glitter pigments. A brush is not going to apply them very evenly in my opinion, but each to their own. You guys can do whatever you want. You can see now that we are going on with this bloody amazing eyeliner. I am so damn excited for you guys to see the final look with the eyes with this eyeliner painted on. Like, look at how smooth that is applying on the eyes. Have you guys ever, when you're younger especially, used those water paints where you would have like a block of colour and then you just put your brush in water and then dab it over top of the block of paint? That is literally what these eyeliners are like. It is such a cool idea and concept. I'm super impressed by them actually. Funny, look at my cheek right now. It looks like a heart with the foundation on the left hand side of the cheek. As soon as I saw that, I was like, this is like the perfect Valentine's Day thing. This is so strange. But I'm just putting my foundation on now, guys. You probably already know if you follow me what this is. This is the Bare Pro foundation, and I use the, oh my gosh, why can't I speak? I use the pale shade, so this is shade number 1 because I'm so fair. So I like this because it's full coverage. Put it all over the face. Now we're contouring and bronzing, so I've used a MAC face powder NW50 to give me some colour for my contour, and now I'm using the medium matte bronzer from NYX Professional Makeup and just warming up my skin, because as a pasty girl I need a little bit of colour, otherwise I literally look dead. This is such a pretty highlight shade. If you guys are looking for a really inexpensive dupe for the Kat Von D Iridescent holographic type highlighters that she brought out, this is amazing. So this ChiChi palette, it has so many different colours. I've taken the more pinky one because I wanted it to match up with my eyes, but if you turn them in the light, they're holographic. They are so damn cool, and you get so much product as well. So I definitely recommend this palette as a dupe for you guys. And we're just dusting that on the cheekbones, nose and cupid's bow. Now we definitely need some lippy because my lips are almost invisible. So we're taking this Jeffree Star lipstick in the shade Mannequin. This is one of my favourite nudes at the moment actually. If I've got a brighter eye, I absolutely adore it. Normally I don't like a pale nude, but the toning of this is really nice to balance out brighter eye look. So that is what we're doing with the lips. And then we are going to go and complete the rest of the makeup look because you can see we're a little bit incomplete still, so we definitely need to put some mascara on in a minute, and then we can sort out the brows and everything as well. But first we need to smoke out the bottom lash line. So we're taking that shade Cocoa again, that is the darker shade from the Huda Beauty palette, and just smoking out the lower lash line, because this is really going to make your neon eyeliner pop. I think it is actually hilarious watching myself trying to put mascara on or smoke out my lower lash line with eyeshadow, because my facial features is so bad. Like, if you guys carry on watching this, you'll see that I move my lips really funny. There we go. I just can't control it. It's like I have no control over my face when I'm putting this stuff on. I don't know if anyone else has this issue, but that is me like every single day. So in a second we are going to put a little bit of highlight in the inner corner of the eye. We're just using the exact same highlight that we used over the face. And then to complete the eyes, we're going to chuck on some mascara and put some lashes on as well, to make my lashes look nice and fluttery. I am so happy that we are coming up to Valentine's Day. I think it's so cute. You get to see so many romantic posts and people just being so lovey-dovey, and it's so nice for people to share lots of love in the world. But I do think that we should tell everyone how much we love them on every day, not just Valentine's Day. So maybe that's something that we could all do some more, so everyone feels super loved. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I am having so much fun with the coloured eyeliners. Happy Valentine's Day if you don't see me beforehand, but have a great afternoon guys, and I will see you next time.